Amidst a global annual production capacity of over 3 million units, a powerful heart beats in Vietnam. The V-SIP-2 factory of Zeng Hsing Industrial, a key base of the world's largest household sewing machine manufacturing group. Founded in 1968 and headquartered in Taiwan, Zeng Hsing Group established its presence in Vietnam in 2005 and has grown steadily ever since. We have built 2 major production facilities in the V-SIP Industrial Park. Factory 1 covering 12,300 square meters, and Factory 2 covering 96,000 square meters, with a total area exceeding 100,000 square meters. With a convenient location, approximately 40 kilometers from Tan Son Nhat Airport and about 50 kilometers from Cat Lai Port, it offers easy transportation access for shipping and export activities. The factory is equipped with a complete production system, including die casting, CNC machining, mold workshop, injection molding, and assembly. Each production line can reach a maximum capacity of 250,000 units per month. Zeng Hsing Industrial owns a fully integrated production line, from raw materials to finished products. This is a significant advantage, enabling strict quality control and ensuring that all products meet the highest standards. We are not only one of the world's largest household sewing machine manufacturers, but also a trusted long-term partner of leading international brands. The integration of intelligent manufacturing systems enhances both efficiency and precision, delivering accuracy, efficiency, and industry leadership. Zeng Hsing places great importance on corporate social responsibility and has obtained international certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 50001, and SA 8000. We firmly believe that people are the foundation of business development. We encouraging employees to develop a healthy balance between physical and mental well-being. We continuously improve the working environment, strictly uphold environmental protection and labor rights standards, and are committed to creating a sustainable manufacturing environment. Looking ahead, we don't just manufacture products, we build trust. Zeng Hsing Industrial looks forward to working hand-in-hand with global partners to create value and shape the future together.